What's going on, my beautiful people? Hope you're having a great day today. Today I want to remind you of the following. You need to be brave. You need to take risk if you want to experience life. Today I'm going to be jumping off this mountain. We're going to do some paragliding. I'll show you right there. We're going to be doing some of that. And we're going to go down this mountain. But again, if you are afraid and don't take risk, you'll never experience life.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
Guys, and I'll see you in the next one.